Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel, Laser Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakobra here. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys the quick way to report any fraudulent transaction on Alipay, or to report any fraudster user on Alipay. So all you have to do is to make sure you watch this video in case you have been defrauded from Alipay, and how you can get your money back by reporting to Alipay customer support. So this is what you need to do. Before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so whenever I upload content, you get notified. And also, you can as well check on my playlist to see more topic about Alipay related issue. So without wasting much of our time, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can report a fraudulent transaction on Alipay. So let's get started. So you need to go back to your Alipay. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can get your money back in case you have been defrauded on Alipay. So right here, all you have to do is to make sure you click on your inbox. Each time you will make transaction on Alipay, we always have an inbox to make reference to. I hope you understand the fact that. So when you get to your Alipay inbox, all you have to do is to click on the person that defraud you in your in Alipay. Okay, so when you click on the person inbox, so you have to come to the top right here. You could see a man icon at the top here. Click on the man icon. So when you click on the man icon, then scroll down, come here and click on report. So click on report, then you need to translate all the information right here. So the first one right here, so the other party posted inappropriate content. This simply means that if somebody is spamming your Alipay inbox, so that's the option for you. And the second option right here states that the other party has fraudulent behavior. So if you suspect that the person is a fraudster, so you can use that box thing to and another one right here. So another one right here, that mobile number is being registered by the third party account. If your account, this simply means that if your mobile number is registered by the other third party account, simply means that another person uses your mobile number to open an Alipay account. You can report from this section also. And then the last one right here is just that add another party to the blacklist, or you don't want and they will not be able to send you a message or initial transfer or make a payment or send a friend request to you. So these are the options. So for me, this person right here, I'm going to report this person as a fraudulent behavior. So when you select the option that you want to report with, so you have to click on here to show your proof of evidence that this person is also a fraudster. When you are done, you click on next, then you'll be able to submit your report successfully, whether a fraudulent activities, whether you want to block someone, or you want to report somebody that use your mobile number to open an Alipay account. This is where you get it done, and Alipay is going to respond to whatever report you are making in less than 24 hours. So this is how everything is done on Alipay. Report to customer support in any times of if you have any related issue as far as fraudulent transaction on Alipay is concerned. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about Alipay related topic, you get notified and you watch the video. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.